Got two nice looking pine logs on the mill today. And I hate to say it, but what we're gonna do to these things, or we're gonna cut them up in 2x4s. Just to show you what these logs measure. Inside bark, I'd call it 21 inches. Yeah, I mean, the overall is 22, but just to give you an idea, the size of these, just look at the Bobcat tire and an example to the size of these logs. So, I mean, if you have a compact car or something of that nature, I mean, this is the size of your tire on your car. Not quite a truck tire, SUV tire, but anyway, we're guessing we're gonna probably get 18, maybe 20 of these 2x4s out of each log. So I hate to cut these, but this is the only ones I had the length 8 foot, and this is gonna be some pretty pine. There's no knots on it. Doing it for a very special customer of ours, so he needed some good stuff, so we're gonna give him some good stuff. So just wanted to show you what we got going on today with these logs. As you can tell, they're straight, they're beautiful. Very, very good example of what a pine log ought to be. Hearts in the middle, good growth pattern on the rings. This is gonna be some pretty lumber, folks. Real strong lumber as well. No knots, no weak spots. Very, very nice lumber out of these pine logs. Just gonna show you what we got. We're proud of them, and we're getting ready to cut them up, make some nice lumber out of them. So y'all hang on, enjoy the video. Have any comments, questions, hit us up in the comments section. Thank you for all the subscribers and all the views. Y'all hang on and enjoy the video.